Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make palak salad for weight loss, only way. Start by blanching fresh palak for 10 seconds and shock in cold water. Chop the leaves and mix with cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and a lean protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Dress lightly with lemon juice, a teaspoon of olive oil, salt, and crushed black pepper. Toss well and serve chilled for a refreshing, low-calorie meal. Gather palak, a lean protein, fresh cucumber, cherry tomatoes, lemon, and a small amount of olive oil. Measure 2 large cups of palak and about 100 grams of protein for a balanced portion. Keep dressings minimal to control calories while enhancing flavor. Prepare crunchy vegetables for texture and added fiber to help you feel full longer. This combination supports weight loss goals without sacrificing taste or satisfaction. Blanch palak briefly and cool it quickly to keep vibrant color and nutrients intact. Pat leaves dry to stop salad dilution and maintain a crisp texture. Chop cucumber and tomatoes evenly to ensure each bite is balanced. Use a light lemon and olive oil dressing and season with salt and pepper sparingly. Toss gently to coat without bruising the greens, then plate and enjoy a flavorful, waistline-friendly salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.